Picture this. You've planned the perfect Honolulu getaway, but instead of paradise, you're stuck in traffic jams and tourist traps. I've researched the 12 biggest mistakes travelers make in Hawaii's capital city. Stick around because avoiding these pitfalls could save your vacation from turning into a costly disaster. Mistake 12. Overpacking your suitcase. Here's what happens when you pack like you're visiting Alaska instead of a tropical paradise. Most travelers stuff their suitcase with enough clothes for 2 weeks, when Hawaii's climate means you'll live in shorts and t-shirts. The biggest issue isn't just the extra baggage fees that can cost you over $100 each way. It's the wasted time and energy dragging heavy luggage around when you could be enjoying the beach. Hawaii's year-round temperature hovers between 75 and 85 degrees, so pack light layers instead of bulky items. Bring reef-safe sunscreen, a light rain jacket, and comfortable walking shoes. Skip the fancy dinner outfits unless you're planning something specific. Most restaurants accept casual attire, and you'll find yourself reaching for the same comfortable pieces repeatedly. Pack smart, travel light, and save money for experiences instead of baggage fees. Mistake 11. Thinking Honolulu lacks traffic. Surprise! Honolulu once beat Los Angeles as America's most congested city. If you're expecting smooth drives between attractions, prepare for a reality check that could derail your entire schedule. Rush hour traffic starts before 7 a.m. and doesn't clear until well after 6 p.m., turning a 20-minute airport ride into an hour-long crawl. The H1 freeway becomes a parking lot, and surface streets aren't much better. Local residents plan their entire day around avoiding these traffic nightmares, and you should too. Book accommodations close to your main activities, or plan to spend significant time in your rental car. Consider ride-sharing during peak hours, since parking in Waikiki can cost $30 daily. The traffic reality means that seemingly close attractions might take twice as long to reach. Mistake 10. Skipping cash completely. Going cashless in Honolulu will leave you hungry and frustrated at some of the island's best local spots. While Waikiki hotels and major restaurants accept cards, venture beyond the tourist bubble and you'll hit cash-only establishments that serve the most authentic Hawaiian food. Food trucks, local markets, and family-owned restaurants often operate on cash transactions to keep costs low for customers. ATM fees in Hawaii are notoriously high, sometimes reaching $7 per transaction at hotel machines. The smart move is hitting your bank's ATM at the airport for a larger withdrawal, then keeping most cash secured in your hotel safe. You'll need cash for parking meters, tips for hotel staff, and those incredible roadside shrimp trucks that don't take plastic. Small bills work best since many places can't break hundreds. Mistake 9. Choosing inauthentic luaus. Those massive hotel luaus with 500 guests aren't giving you Hawaiian culture, they're giving you dinner theater. Authentic luaus disappeared over a century ago, but tourist versions pack people like sardines while serving bland food that bears little resemblance to traditional Hawaiian cuisine. You'll pay $80 to $150 per person for an experience that locals wouldn't recognize as their culture. The performers often rush through dances, the food tastes mass-produced, and you'll spend more time waiting in buffet lines than learning about Polynesian traditions. Instead, seek smaller cultural experiences like the Polynesian Cultural Center's Ali Luau or community events that locals actually attend. These authentic alternatives cost about the same, but offer genuine cultural education, better food, and meaningful connections with Hawaiian heritage. Ask your hotel concierge about local community luaus or cultural centers that prioritize education over entertainment. Mistake 8. Underestimating Diamond Head. That iconic crater rim looks deceptively easy from Waikiki Beach, but Diamond Head defeats more unprepared hikers than any other Oahu trail. The half-mile path climbs 800 feet through an extinct volcano with zero shade and temperatures that can exceed 100 degrees inside the crater. Tourists show up in flip-flops carrying tiny water bottles, then struggle halfway up the steep switchbacks and concrete stairs. The trail includes dark tunnels and narrow staircases that challenge anyone afraid of heights or tight spaces. Smart hikers start before 7 a.m. when temperatures are cooler and parking is available. Bring at least 2 water bottles per person, wear proper hiking shoes, and pack reef-safe sunscreen since you'll be exposed for the entire climb. The sunrise views are spectacular, but only if you prepare properly. Mistake 7. Beach gear blunders. Packing only flip-flops and swimwear leaves you equipmentless for Hawaii's diverse terrain and activities. Honolulu isn't just beaches, it's hiking trails, volcanic rock, coral reefs, and upscale restaurants that require different gear for each environment. Those cheap flip-flops will fail you on lava rock hikes, and walking across coral in any footwear damages fragile reefs that take decades to grow. Water shoes protect your feet and the environment during snorkeling adventures. Pack lightweight hiking boots for crater trails and waterfall hikes where regular shoes become slippery death traps on wet rocks. Many restaurants enforce resort casual dress codes, meaning no tank tops or beach attire after 6 p.m. Bring at least one collared shirt and long pants for dining out. A light rain jacket handles sudden tropical showers that soak through cotton shirts in seconds. Mistake 6. Skipping Pearl Harbor reservations. Pearl Harbor turns away thousands of disappointed visitors daily because they didn't know tickets sell out weeks in advance. The USS Arizona Memorial only accommodates 150 people per shuttle trip, while over 4,000 tourists show up hoping for same-day entry. The crushing reality hits when families realize their Pearl Harbor dreams end at the visitor center gift shop instead of the historic memorial site. Free tickets disappear online within hours of release, especially during peak tourist seasons from December through March. Tour companies charge premium prices for guaranteed entry, but even those require advance booking. The memorial's strict security means no bags, cameras, or personal items beyond your ID and tickets. Smart travelers book their Pearl Harbor visit before booking flights, then plan the rest of their itinerary around this confirmed time slot. Which sounds better to you? Booking Pearl Harbor tickets weeks ahead, or risking the disappointment of missing out? Mistake 5. Staying only in Honolulu. Honolulu represents just 10% of Oahu's incredible diversity, yet tourists spend entire weeks within a 5-mile radius of Waikiki Beach. The island stretches 44 miles long with pristine beaches, dramatic hiking trails, historic sites, and local communities that most visitors never discover. North Shore's legendary surf breaks at Sunset Beach, and Pipeline offer world-class wave watching during winter months. The Windward Coast features Lanikai Beach's powder-soft sand and turquoise waters that rival any Caribbean destination. Hiking enthusiasts find waterfalls at Manoa Falls and challenging crater trails throughout the island's volcanic interior. Local food trucks on the North Shore serve garlic shrimp that puts Waikiki restaurants to shame at half the price. Rental cars cost $60 to $80 daily, but unlock adventures worth hundreds in tourist value. Mistake 4. Never leaving your resort. All-inclusive resorts create golden cages that prevent you from experiencing authentic Hawaiian culture and cuisine. Resort restaurants charge $30 for mediocre meals, while incredible local eateries serve traditional Hawaiian plates for $12 just blocks away. Hotel pools can't compete with snorkeling at Hanauma Bay or surfing lessons at authentic local beaches. Resort activities feel manufactured compared to hiking Diamond Head at sunrise or exploring Chinatown's historic markets and art galleries. The biggest loss is missing interactions with local residents who share stories, recommendations, and cultural insights that no concierge manual contains. Local favorites like Leonard's Bakery for malasadas or Giovanni's Shrimp Truck require venturing beyond resort boundaries. Resort gift shops sell mass-produced souvenirs, while local artisans create unique pieces that actually represent Hawaiian craftsmanship. Mistake 3. Ignoring other beaches. Waikiki Beach attracts 90% of Honolulu's beachgoers, while hundreds of superior beaches remain practically empty just miles away. This famous crescent gets so crowded that finding sand space requires arriving before sunrise, and the water quality suffers from constant human activity and urban runoff. Hanauma Bay offers world-class snorkeling with protected coral reefs and tropical fish that Waikiki can't match. Lanikai Beach on the windward side features powder-soft sand and crystal-clear water without the crowds or high-rise hotel backdrop. Kailua Beach provides kite surfing and kayaking opportunities in a more natural setting. Local families prefer these alternative beaches because they offer actual Hawaiian beach experiences instead of tourist scenes. Each beach has unique characteristics, from Sunset Beach's massive winter surf to Magic Island's calm lagoon perfect for children. Mistake 2. Urban reality check. Honolulu's metropolitan problems shock visitors expecting nothing but paradise and aloha spirit throughout the city. Homelessness is visible in downtown areas and some beach parks, creating uncomfortable situations for unprepared tourists who didn't research the city's social challenges. property crime affects rental cars and hotel rooms, especially in areas tourists frequent after dark. Traffic congestion creates air pollution that rivals major mainland cities, and certain neighborhoods require the same urban awareness you'd use in any large American city. Hotel staff rarely discuss these realities because it impacts bookings, but ignoring them leaves you vulnerable and unprepared. Smart precautions include not leaving valuables visible in rental cars, avoiding isolated areas after sunset, and staying aware of your surroundings like you would in any city of nearly 1 million residents. Mistake 1. Not budgeting for Hawaii prices. The biggest shock for first-time Honolulu visitors is discovering that paradise comes with mainland luxury prices plus island import costs. A simple lunch at a casual restaurant runs $25 to $35 per person, while grocery store basics like milk cost $8 per gallon. Gas prices hover around $1 more per gallon than mainland averages, and parking in Waikiki reaches $30 daily at hotels. Tour activities range from $60 to $200 per person, and even fast food costs significantly more than you're used to paying. Budget travelers who plan for normal vacation costs find themselves rationing experiences or going into debt for basic necessities. Research actual costs before booking your flight, not after you arrive. A family of 4 should budget at least $150 daily for food alone, excluding activities and transportation. Underestimating Hawaii's cost of living turns dream vacations into financial nightmares that last long after you return home. These mistakes can transform your dream Hawaiian vacation into an expensive lesson in poor planning. Honolulu offers incredible experiences when you know what to expect and how to prepare properly. If you found value in this video, you're gonna love this next one.